Hello everybody, this is Chef Angelica. How are you today? It is sunny and bright here in beautiful Cambria, California. Today I am making wonderful falafels. This is my recipe. I'm experimenting. I always like to add my own flair, my own twist. So today I'm adding some secret ingredients. I've already got my 4 cups of chickpeas, the spices that I wanted in, some other things. As always, me and my lemon and my citrus, have my microplane, have my citrus lemon zest today. I also have fresh lemon juice, as always, to brighten it, lighten it. I'm using baking powder, which will help lift and lighten the falafels, the fluffiness. And I've also used some, you can't see it, but it's within that mix, some baking soda as well, which helps break down the chickpea skin and make it smooth. I want green, so as always, I'm going to add beautiful, organic, healthy spinach. I've got about 3 cups here. This is going to be whizzed in next. I'm also going to add probably a cup or 2 of fresh parsley. You can add the herbs you want. That's what's lovely about falafels. Once you get the texture and the recipe down that you enjoy, you can go ahead and do your own spice mix, add your own greens. You can do cilantro, different spices. This has paprika, cumin, many wonderful things in here. If this works out, I'll make a short to let you see it. The patties, once I bake them, you can fry them as well. But again, it's healthier if you bake them. But you can do it both ways. It should be delicious. It'll give you a nice crispy outside and a soft, fluffy inside. This is what we're looking for. I like the extra lemon. That's going to give some moisture to everything. So we'll see what happens. Ciao for now. Enjoy your day. Eat your greens. Peace out.